we are going to discuss about the topic fiber to fabric. What is fiber and how it can convert it into fabric. So this is the chapter from class 6. So first we discuss what is fiber. What is fiber? So whatever we wear, the cloth has, like everything is made up of fiber. The thin threads each threads are called fiber. Thin threads are called as fiber. When we suppose you have seen the tailor using the what we say in the suji. When he stitches the cloth, at that time he insert the thin threads into the suji. What we say, I don't know in English. So this is the thin threads. When we try to insert the threads into the suji, that sometimes we are unable to do that because there is fiber, so that it is sometimes unable to do it. Okay, then second thing is how we can get the fiber. So fiber is basically two types. The first one is natural fiber, and the second one is synthetic fiber. So natural fiber, it is obtained from the nature, like the plant fiber such as cotton, jute, linen. So cotton, we grow cotton, cultivate cotton, and it is mostly grow in UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, because the soil is suitable for the growth of this crop cotton. So when the cotton grow, then the cotton balls burst open and the cotton we get. And the second one is jute. Cotton balls are used to obtain the fiber. And in jute, in case of jute, the fruit is used as fiber, and in line and the stem is used to obtain the fiber. And in the second case, the synthetic fiber like polyester, nylon, these are the example of synthetic fiber. And there is also third one, that is the semi-synthetic fiber. Why it is called semi-synthetic? Semi means half. It is half synthetic and half natural, because the natural raw materials are used to obtain the semi-synthetic fiber. And one of the example is rayon. You almost know about this fiber, rayon. This is the example. And you will observe that in the winter season we use some thick clothes like the wool clothes to protect from the winter season, from the cold one, and it will help us. It will unable to penetrate into our body, that it will obstruct our body from the cold one. So just pause the video. So our next topic is natural fiber. And again the natural fiber is divided into two types. And that is, first one is plant fiber, and second one is animal fiber. And I have already said that the examples of plant fiber are cotton and jute, then linen. And the animal fiber is, we get wool from the fleece of what? Goat and sheep. Mostly this will obtain from the Kashmiri, like the hilly area when the temperature is very high, like Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. At that places, the goat and the sheep, their thick fur is there, so that will very useful to make the cotton, wool clothes. And then the second one is silk clothes, and we get silk clothes from the silkworm. It will also cultivated. And the plant fiber, like the linen, the stem of the linen, it is placed in the running water to get rotten, and when the linen stem get rotten, then we get the fiber. And then you almost know about the like coconut fiber. Coconut fiber. So from coconut we also obtain fiber. Coir. The outer covering of coconut. We obtain fiber from coconut fiber. And the most widely used fiber is cotton. In different area in India, like the state UP, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana. These are the places where the cotton grown. And the soil which needs is black soil. Black soil is suitable to grow cotton. And we need the climate. Climate must be warm temperature. We need warm temperature to grow cotton. So we have to discuss about the cotton fiber. We have left some topic. So the cotton fiber is obtained by separating the seeds from the fiber. And this process is called ginning. So ginning is the process by which, and you also call this process is combing. By this process, cotton fiber can be obtained. And the jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Stem of the jute plant. And you know, like this jute fiber, it is harvested during the rainy season, and mostly it is cultivated in the state of Bihar and West Bengal. Bihar and West Bengal. So this jute fiber is harvested during the flowering stage of the plant. Okay, then the process by which yarn can be converted into fiber is called spinning. Okay, so we cannot obtain fiber so easily. First, we already know that the thin strands or threads, it is called as fiber. So this made from the yarn, and this process is called spinning. And there is a device also, spinning, known as spinning device, and that is charkha. You almost heard about this. You know, Mahatma Gandhi, he used to make fiber with this charkha. And there is another device known as takli. There are two devices. These are the spinning device, which is used to make fiber. And first we studied that fiber made from the yarn to fiber, and fiber from the fiber we get the fabric, and from fabric it is the cloth that we are wearing in our day-to-day life. And everyone almost know that we must have a shelter to live, we must have a house, and we have the basic needs. These are the basic needs: shelter, home, then food. We must have food to eat, and the other things are like water, and most important thing that we have left is clothes. Shelter, food, and clothes. And apart from this, water, oxygen, these are the basic necessity, basic things that we need to live or to sustain our life. And there are two main ways by which we discussed that we get yarn from the fabric. Like first one is fiber. From the fiber we get the yarn, and from the yarn we get the fabric. These are the steps. We I made a mistake in the last minute. Okay, so yarn can be converted into fabric, and there are two processes. What are the process? There are two processes by which yarn can be converted into fabric and can be converted into fabric. And the process, the first one is weaving, and the second one is knitting. Knitting, mostly we do this by our hand, and weaving, for weaving we have machine. Tailor use machine for weaving, and weaving two sets of yarn are used to make fabric. But in case of knitting, a single set of yarn used to make fabric. Okay, so these are the things that we have to study in this video. Okay, so thank you. This is all for today.